So this is a review of the PlayStation 3 wireless controller in charcoal, and that is wireless that I'll be reviewing. This PlayStation 3 remote control, it is the genuine remote control that you get with your PlayStation 3. And you can see that it has the analog stick right here. One's right there and the other one's right there. Then you got the select, the start buttons right there. And this is the home screen button right here. This is the left, right, and the bottom, the map buttons. This is the, like, the square, triangle, X, and in the circle button. Right here you get the L and then the R buttons. So when you play, and then on the bottom here you get your L1 and then L2 analogs as well too. Overall, if you are looking for a genuine PlayStation 3 remote control, I would highly recommend this one because of how it is genuine and is the real Sony remote control that is off from the PlayStation 3 when you get the PlayStation 3. And yeah, I love the PlayStation 3 remote control and I use this every single day and it works fine, and I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a replacement set of a PlayStation 3 wireless remote control in charcoal. Then this is probably one of the best ones to get.